Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I am Patrice J, and today I will be unboxing my brand new sewing machine that I picked up today. I am gonna unbox the Juki HZL DX series. I spent quite a bit of time in the store trying one out, so I am confident that I made the right decision. There was another Viking that I was interested in, but it had it was like a embroidery sewing combo, but it did not have, well, the attachment that they had in the store to make the wider bed go on did not fit it. So oh, crap. This isn't by no means a commercial for Juki. I'm actually, my preferred brand is Brother. But the Brother machine that I was looking at just didn't compare to this one. I'll sit all this stuff down. I might need some help. Let me see from the floor. Hold on, I'm not a punk. Move that back. All right, hold on. Okay, so the sales associate brought this, carried this out for me, so I never actually physically picked up the box, and then Ian brought it in for me, so I was just initially surprised by the weight. Okay, kind of taking it out in pieces because this is the cover. That's a neat cover. Oh, okay, all right. There's a box inside the box. Hold on. I tell you one thing, this thing is packaged well. This is another workout. Ian is behind the camera cracking up. Okay.
There you go.
I got it. That took a lot. Okay, so let's bring it around this way. Ian is probably getting all my little light thing. How do I do this? Let me look at all this stuff first. This is the knee press to open your, to lift your presser foot. This is a pouch with whole bunch of feet for this machine. Sewing manuals, operation DVDs, warranty information, which I will definitely be completing. Presser foot and cord to plug in. I'll put all pretty sturdy. Like it has, the case itself has styrofoam in it so that it doesn't, it's pretty neat. The case itself has like styrofoam padding so it won't harm the machine. That's cool. Ugh. Okay, so let's throw that away. Take that tape off. Take this off. Take that off. And that. So I'll show you the main reason that I got this particular machine. In just a moment. You know, I will say their packaging is very smart. So, because you don't have to use a presser foot with this machine, it's completely optional. But, so if you're not, though, you wind your cord up around here, so it's just not in the way. Plug that in. This presser foot, you can program like the front press versus the back press so that it'll sew in however you have it programmed. So in the store they have it, if you pressed on the front pedal it would sew forward, and if you did the back it would sew in reverse, which I thought was neat. So no more like having to press the reverse button. Another thing the lady showed me in the store was that this case. Look at how neat that is. So you can store all of your feet, bobbins. This is a seam ripper, a brush to clean it out. And all of this gets stored in here, plus additional feet. This is a button holder with a stabilizer, because it'll you do like one touch buttonholes, but that's pretty neat too. And then I guess it plugs in somewhere over here, but the storage is just real smart. And then I still have all these additional feet, which is even more cool. So it's like a darning foot, like a free motion one, I think. Probably for a spool extender. Gathering foot, maybe. I'll have to read the book and see what all these feet are for. This is to get in these little tight spaces, but additional feet. So I'll have to read the book to see what all the accessories that they gave me. And of course, this little pouch is really cute. This thing would plug in right here, and then I could use my knee to lift and lower the presser foot. not going to put that on right now, but I am going to open this because this is why I got the machine. This makes me happy. This slides on and attaches. And when it does, I have all the sewing space that I need, baby. Look how wide this is. Look how much space there is. So when I'm sewing heavy gowns and the fabric is dripping off this way, I still have more leverage and support so it doesn't just like drag when I'm trying to get things set up. Love, 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 love. Okay, turn it on. I don't have thread or anything in here, and of course I'll have to set all the manuals and things. But spool thread. I think this is like an automatic threading one as well. We'll see shortly how that goes. Oh. All right, we're gonna read the directions on this thing. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where's 6? Oh, 5, 6, and then 7 goes in there, and then clip the thread. All right. It's been a long time since I've had that because my kiddo broke. My last machine had the same feature, but Ian, when he was probably like 3 years old, broke it by like just. So they will not be allowed to touch this one at all. They can get their little grubby paws off. I'll just set that there. I know I have a bobbin thread somewhere. Okay, so let me sew something so I can show you how quiet it is. Piece of muslin from this little get it on. Pardon. Excuse-moi. All right, so this is just a little piece of muslin I use as a pressing cloth. But again, like I said, I will have to program my little presser foot and all that jazz. But oh, that's way too slow. No, everything is all right. Listen to how quiet the thing is. Of course, all machines come with the snippers. But yeah, baby, I like it like that. I am impressed. So like it comes with all of these stitches, but if you sew, you know you probably only use these. But it also has like these decorative, like kind of light embroidery kind of stitches, which would probably be good for like handkerchiefs and like the handkerchiefs for like bridal hankies, whatever. But yeah, so I'm gonna read the manual because I want to figure out how to program this presser foot. Also, I'm going to see how I like, how I like using this knee thing, which means that it would have to be like really close. So I need to, play around with it and everything. But I'm very happy with my purchase. And I am looking forward to getting to know my new little baby. The newest addition to the familia. So, thanks for watching my unboxing. This video is not sponsored by Juki or Brother. But they could send me another machine if they want me to. And I'll do all the demos they want. I will be back soon with new videos. I'm currently working on 2 brides and their wedding is so far away. I didn't want to be recording the videos and having to hold on to them for a very long time. But I am will be finished with them both by next week, and then I'll be working on my own formal wear for my vow renewal, which is in February. And those videos I will be filming the entire process from the pattern draping to patterning to cutting, sewing, adjustments, the works. You'll get all of that from start to finish. And I think that will be good for me as learning, and for whoever likes, because you wouldn't be watching this channel if it wasn't for the sewing, right? So if you like my channel, give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, hit the little doorbell thing so you get notifications when I post new videos. Also, my husband and I have a channel called Defining This Thing, where we just talk about the experiences that we've had over our 19 years of marriage. I will try to remember to put the link in the description box, but it's Defining This Thing on YouTube, and we'll pop up for that. And my children also have a YouTube channel where they do science experiments and post videos about their travel adventures and all of that. So if you want to see more of like my kids, and if you have kids, you definitely need to go and subscribe to their channel. And they are Ian and Eli Says. No, what is it now?
Just Ian and Eli. It's
just Ian and Eli. So I'll definitely link the channels in the description box below. Very, very pleased with my sewing machine, and looking forward to getting to put it through its paces. My other machine is still good, and I'm still going to use that one, but I'm going to take it over to my studio space. Oh, there'll be like a full-on tour of my sewing space really soon, because I'm having a studio warming party on the 12th. So I will make sure I record some of that. But yes, thanks for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Bye.